You're leaving $3,000 to $12,000 on the table with every partial re-roof. Here's what's happening. Homeowners want solar. You're not trained for it. So the job goes to someone else, and you're stuck with just the roofing work. But what if you could offer premium solar upgrades using the tools you already own? That's exactly what SolarisSlate does. These aren't your typical clunky panels. They install flush, just like regular roofing. One-day training gets you certified, field support on your first jobs, and they guarantee your profit. Most roofers are clearing an extra $5,000 per qualifying job, ready to stop leaving money on the table. Apply for your region at forerunnerenergy.net/SolarisSlate-roofers.